Fireplaces, stoves, and fireplace inserts can provide comfort and ambiance in nearly any space. These products can also be great sources of heat when properly installed, operated, and maintained. If you're in the market for a hearth product to provide additional heat, many high-efficiency products are available. Direct vent gas fireplaces, stoves, and fireplace inserts, EPA-certified wood-burning fireplaces and stoves, and pellet stoves and fireplace inserts. Many variables can also affect how a fireplace, stove, or insert will heat your space. Understanding these variables will help you choose the right product for your home. It's also important to note that hearth appliances should only be used as supplemental zone heaters and are rarely designed to be the sole source of heat for a home. Consider three main factors when choosing a hearth appliance: home construction, home design, and climate. Home construction plays a major role in how your hearth product will help heat your home. Building codes and trends over the last 20 years have led to an increase in overall home efficiency. Today's well-constructed, insulated homes prevent cold air from entering, and they effectively retain indoor heat. An older or drafty home can have difficulty retaining heat. Cold air sneaks into these types of homes and requires more heat from a hearth product. Weather stripping, energy-efficient windows and doors, or re-insulating your home can improve your home's efficiency. Many local utility companies offer home efficiency audits at little or no cost. Your home's design and layout also affects heating performance. Most fireplaces, stoves, or fireplace inserts produce heat directly from the unit and are designed to provide supplemental heating to the area they are installed in. The design and air movement within your home will greatly affect how the heat is distributed. For example, if you install a fireplace in a large open room with high ceilings, the heat will naturally rise to the ceiling and may not provide much heat to your actual living space. Many fireplaces, stoves, and fireplace inserts have fan options available to help distribute warm air into the room. Because these appliances are designed for zone heating, the temperature will be warmer the closer you are to the actual appliance. Depending on your home's air movement, it may be difficult to heat rooms in other areas of the home. Some hearth models allow you to run heat ducts like a central furnace off the appliance to other areas of the house. It is also important not to purchase a fireplace, stove, or fireplace insert with too much heat output for your space. Some products can produce more heat than desired, making it too warm in your space. Appliance efficiency, size, fuel type, and BTU output all have an effect on heat output. Make sure that you select an appliance that matches the size of the space you want to heat. The greatest factor affecting how much heat a home requires is outdoor temperature. Even well-insulated homes experience heat loss as the outdoor temperature falls. Wind direction and sun exposure are also considerations. Extremes in any of these circumstances may require a fireplace, stove, or insert with a higher heat output. When properly installed, a benefit of direct vent appliances is the ability to prevent cold air infiltration or negative air pressure issues. With wood-burning units, closing the damper and keeping airtight doors closed in your home will help reduce this effect. Many gas fireplaces, stoves, and fireplace inserts have advanced electronic ignition systems. These systems can allow you to leave the pilot running or can function intermittently by turning off the pilot when not in use, and save up to $10 a month during warmer times of the year. Even if you've chosen the perfect hearth product for your home, lack of maintenance will keep it from achieving peak performance. Maintenance tasks vary based on the type of appliance. A properly installed, cleaned, and maintained unit will keep your fireplace, stove, or insert running safely and efficiently.